Welcome to our cybersecurity podcast episode, where we delve into CVE 2025-1094, a newly disclosed critical SQL injection vulnerability in PostgreSQL. Found in versions prior to 17.3, this vulnerability poses a significant risk, potentially leading to arbitrary code execution if exploited. It has already been associated with a major breach involving the U.S. Treasury. Stay tuned as we explore the details of this vulnerability and how it's impacting the tech landscape. PostgreSQL, a highly regarded open-source relational database management system, is used by enterprises worldwide for its reliability, performance, and feature set. The vulnerability affects versions up to 13.18, 14.5, 15.10, 16.6, and 17.2 on the RPM format, leaving many organizations at potential risk. PostgreSQL is renowned for its robust support for SQL compliance and extensive feature set, but this latest flaw underscores the ongoing challenge of securing even the most established software. The CVE 2025-1094 vulnerability stems from improper neutralization of quoting syntax within PostgreSQL's libpq functions and command line tools. This type of vulnerability is classified as SQL injection, which allows attackers to execute arbitrary SQL code. Such vulnerabilities can lead to unauthorized actions such as data retrieval or alteration, and in severe cases, arbitrary code execution by injection through compromised SQL queries. The root of the vulnerability lies within several PostgreSQL functions and tools, notably pqEscapeLiteral, pqEscapeIdentifier, pqEscapeString, and pqEscapeStringCon. These functions fail to properly neutralize quoting syntax, leading to potential SQL injection when misused in applications. Critically, this vulnerability is exploited when constructing input to PostgreSQL's interactive terminal or through command line arguments, especially under specific encoding scenarios like Big 5 for client encoding and EUCW or Mule internal for server encoding. Attackers have been able to use this loophole to conduct remote code execution, as evidenced by its use in a U.S. Treasury attack believed to be by Chinese state-sponsored hackers. In conclusion, CVE 2025-1094 presents a major security challenge for PostgreSQL users. This vulnerability highlights the persistent risks of SQL injection vulnerabilities and their potential for severe breaches when exploited. Organizations using affected versions of PostgreSQL must urgently consider upgrading to at least version 17.3 or applying available patches to mitigate this risk. As cybersecurity continues to evolve, vigilance and preparedness remain key to safeguarding data and infrastructure in the face of emerging threats.